Hey guys, Chef Peepee here, you know. Peepee's here. And today this is gonna sound kinda silly, but today I'm giving a shout out to Chef Peepee. Oh yes, I'm giving a shout out to Chef Peepee and friends. Woo! Yeah, Toad! What? What do you want? I'm giving a shout out to Chef Peepee and friends. Oh! Hi, Chef Peepee and friends! Yeah, I heard he likes Toad, so you know. I'm just here. You want to see my glorious face. So yeah, go subscribe to Chef Peepee and friends. The link will be in the description, okay? If you want to go subscribe to him. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day.